Welcome back to Sergeant T.Rex Small Arms Repairer YouTube channel. Today we have an article from the Army Sustainment Command, Redstone Arsenal Detachment, titled M249 Machine Gun Ejection Port Covers Working Loose. Dear Editor, after operators fire their M249 machine guns, they should take a minute and check the ejection port cover pin to see if it's coming loose. If unchecked, the pin will work its way out, and they may lose the ejection port cover spring, and ejection port cover pin. A bent or damaged ejection port cover pin can stick out into the receiver and be in the way of the gas rod and bolt carrier. If operated like this, the bolt carrier, ejection port cover pin, and spring can be damaged. To prevent this damage, operators should tell the small arms repairer there's a problem and get it fixed before it causes greater damage to the weapon. Mechanics will use a punch or screwdriver to push the pin back into the receiver hole. This quick step will save the unit over $16 in replacement parts and keep weapons in tip-top shape. That may not seem like a lot, but it can add up quickly and prevent more serious problems costing even more. Mark Hageth, David Ryback, Fred Fanning II, Fort Leonard Wood, Missouri. Editor's note: another good tip from Fort Leonard Wood. Thanks again.